Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help fix BeamMP error code 4. First, verify your BeamNG.drive game files through Steam to ensure no corruption. Next, make sure both BeamNG.drive and BeamMP are updated to their absolute latest versions, as outdated software is a common culprit. Finally, double-check your internet connection for stability and sufficient bandwidth, perhaps running a quick speed test to confirm you have at least 25 megabits per second download speed. These initial checks often resolve many common issues quickly. Your firewall and antivirus software can sometimes mistakenly block BeamMP, causing error code 4. To address this, add both BeamNG.drive and BeamMP as explicit exceptions in your Windows firewall settings. You might also temporarily disable your antivirus software to see if it's causing a conflict, but remember to re-enable it afterward. Additionally, check your router's firewall settings to ensure it's not restricting necessary game traffic, which typically uses specific ports like 3081. Network issues are a frequent cause of connectivity problems. To troubleshoot, open your command prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig/flushtons to clear your DNS cache. Then, reset your network adapters by going into Network Settings and disabling, then re-enabling them. For potentially better reliability, consider switching to a public DNS server, such as Google DNS, which uses the IP addresses 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. This can often improve connection stability. If previous steps haven't worked, a clean reinstallation might be necessary. Completely uninstall both BeamNG.drive and BeamMP, then manually delete any remaining configuration files or folders to ensure a fresh start. After reinstalling, test the game again. If the error persists, don't hesitate to reach out to the BeamMP support community or official forums. They have a wealth of knowledge and can offer more tailored solutions, often helping hundreds of users with similar issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.